I was curious to see how my DJI Mini2 drone performed under slightly adverse conditions. So I took it to a secluded spot at the Cascade Ponds area near Banff and did a few test flights. It was a cloudy, overcast day with a light wind and with some snow flurries. At the end of the session, I must say I was quite happy with the way my little DJI Mini2 performed under those conditions. If you enjoyed watching this video, please consider subscribing to my channel, Active Senior Life. Your comments and likes mean a great deal to me, so feel free to add them below. Thanks once again, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.